Four-bedroom ranch with first-floor laundry on dead-end street. Full finished basement with third bathroom. Everything is up to date. Fenced yard, basketball goal, large patio, new floor covering and interior paint. Corner fireplace for winter evenings, large eat-in kitchen. Huge center island with seating and pendant lights. Granite countertops, wall oven with microwave. Abundance of kitchen storage. Handy master suite with spacious walk-in closet and separate shower area. Huge fourth bedroom and recreation area in lower level for large screen TV and hobbies.